Hey guys, so today I'm doing, okay, sorry if the lighting's a little grainy right now. It's like gloomy outside and I really wanted to film, but it's like grainy, so sorry if the quality of this video isn't very good. I apologize. But I really didn't want to use my like lamp lighting, so even though that might actually look better, I don't know. Let me try it. Okay, I'm just gonna leave that, so sorry if my lamp is on, it's kind of bothering you. But today I'm doing my August Ipsy bag. Also, I'm recovering from having a head cold, so that's why I sound like I'm dying. So yeah, but this is the bag for this month. I thought it was really cute. It says Ipsy, has a little tassel. It's cute. So I want to try and test these products out on camera for you because I haven't done that one, or I haven't tested out the products for like forever. So I want to try that for you guys, but I don't know if I will. Let's hope I end up doing that, but I don't know. So this is the thing. So the first thing I got was the hashtag I am the universe's star highlighter. I have the shade Twilight. On the back it says shine your light bright, you're a star. I don't know, I thought that was funny. Packaging's a little gross, kind of, I don't know. But since I highlight, my voice is so gross. OMG. Also, my hair looks bad. Okay, I moved my camera. Why am I like doing this? I moved my camera a little bit, so sorry if it looks different, but this is the packaging. It's like a little twisty color pop type of thing. Now you may ask, how is this a highlight? It looks so dark and like how, like literally, but it's not that pigmented. Like, I don't know, for some reason, like the color looks really good, like on the skin. Also, they kind of like try to do ColourPop's formula in a way. It looks like I can't use it at all, but with a brush, it gives like a nice glow, kind of. I don't know. This looks cool. I like it. I thought I wasn't gonna like it, and I thought I'd have to use this like eyeshadow or something because it's too dark, but it works. I can wear it. So, I've gotten paler, but when I was like tanner, I used to use that. So, I love that. I actually really enjoy that. I'm gonna try. Oh, look at the back too. That's actually kind of cute. I'm gonna try and test that in this video. Actually, wait, I don't want to ruin my highlight. Never mind. I was going to put it on over this highlighter, but whatever. I hope you guys understand like what I'm saying because I feel like no one can understand what I'm saying when I sound like this. So, so I got the Quay. I never know how to say this brand right, so I'm just not going to even try it. This is the volume spray. I actually kind of want to try this out right now on the spot. Hopefully it smells right. Hopefully it smells right. Hopefully it smells good. I don't know. I don't know. Kind of smells like baby powder. I don't know. I don't. Oh. I'm supposed to spray this on damp hair and like blow dry my hair. I'm not doing that. So I'm just gonna kind of scrunch it. Okay, no, that actually smells like really good. I was kind of hesitant about it at first, but I just got my hair cut, so I got layers, and I don't know how I like that, but my hair looks like this now. But anyway, that's actually kind of cool. So I'm actually gonna try and properly use that at some point with like a blow dryer and all that fun stuff, but I don't know. Okay. Then I got the Black Tea London Classic Serum from Tony Moly, which I'm actually really excited because I've never tried anything from this brand, and this looks pretty good. Yeah, so it contains 100% pure black tea extract. Yeah. I haven't used this yet, so I'm going to maybe test it out. I want to do like a full face of Ipsy products, like everything I've collected so far, and see if I can try and do a full face, but we don't know if we're going to do that, but we're going to try. I think I can maybe do it. Then I got the MAC False Lashes Extreme Black Mascara, which this is so cute. This is the wand. I haven't used this yet. It's kind of cool. I think this will look really good on my eyelashes. I like brushes, like not plastic lash brushes. I like actual hair. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, who cares? I love it. I haven't tried it yet. And lastly, I got the Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics bronzer in the shade, doesn't say. Okay. Oh, it's in Skinny Dip. This is a little extreme. I didn't believe it when they said bronzer. I was like, what? It's literally like full on sheen, like an eyeshadow. It looks like MAC Mineral Sky. It looks like MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, but this is like super sheen-esque to it. So I'm kind of scared to try this out because I feel like it doesn't really blend very well. I don't know, kind of struggling, so I'm like scared to try this, so yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. Anyway, but that's everything I've gotten this month. Sorry this video was so short, but the products, ew, my mouth like made like a fart noise. This month was pretty good. I like everything I've gotten. My voice cracked again. This is so hard for me to talk. There's like this piece of mucus that's like stuck on my vocal cords and I can't cough it out. So sorry, it's really gross. This I'm excited about. I think it's gonna be good. This is definitely gonna be good. I'm so excited. I've never tried anything from this brand. I've always wanted to try stuff from them. This highlight I already like really like. I've used it a lot. And then this bronzer I'm too scared to try. And then the mascara, haven't used it yet, but it looks really good, so I'm excited. But that's everything. I'm gonna try and do like a full face of like Ipsy products and try, but I don't know. We'll see. Okay, peace out. Oh, and go follow me on Instagram if you want to stay updated. And sorry for all the back to school videos. I'm just trying to get them like out of the way because I know some people might just start school like this week, like in September. So sorry if they're a little late too. I just filmed a lot, so sorry. Okay.